Hello everyone, in this video given as a rectangle in which some portion is shaded blue. Let the length of this rectangle is 20 centimeter and width is of 10 centimeters. Then by this limited data we have to find the area of this blue shaded region. Let me move towards the solution. First of all, we draw a line segment from this point which is parallel to this side of the rectangle as such one. Here you can see that this is a quarter circle having radius is equal to 10 centimeter. It means this length is 10 centimeters. Now as this whole length is 20 centimeter, so the remaining length is also 10 centimeter. Here you can see that this one is a quarter circle having radius is equal to 10 units, and this blue shaded region is also a quarter circle having radius is equal to 10 centimeters. So if we call this particular portion of area which is blue as A1 and this particular area as A2, then by symmetry of the figure this white area is A1 and this blue area is equal to A2. So from here we can see that blue shaded area is equal to A1 plus A2. Moreover, A1 plus A2 is also the area of a square having side length is equal to 10 centimeter. So blue area is equal to area of the square having side length 10 centimeter. So blue area is equal to side square, that is 10 square, and hence blue shaded area is equal to 100 centimeter square. That is the answer. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up to the video. Thank you for watching.